This video/stream is sponsored by TradersCentral.com. Traders Central provide funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusively for communicating with your traders friends. Sign up using the link in the descriptions and get up to 30% off on your first plan. Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. Today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. I'll be doing the analysis from the daily time frame to 5 minutes time frame, and we'll be sharing you the present support and resistance and current trend of the price action. Please use it as a reference for deciding on your trade plans. Let us look at the economical events calendar for today. Today is 15th July, Friday. At 7:30 AM we have high impacting news planned for yuan. Again at same time we have medium impacting tentative news on New Zealand dollar. And 6 PM we have high impacting news planned for US dollar related currency pairs. Again at 6:30 also we have medium impacting news planned for US dollar related currency pairs, and 7:30 PM we have high impacting news planned for US dollar related currency pairs. So plan your trades based on this news outcome schedules. Let us begin our gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame now. We already know from the past price action that the current trend of the price action is in a very strong bearish trend. Let us find out how low it is going to travel in this downtrend. I'm going to draw a channel pattern. So from this channel pattern, it is very clear that the current trend of the price action is in a bearish trend. And here we have noticed the price action tests this support line, then to bounce back on the bullish trend reversal. And here also it has tested the support line and bounced back on the bullish trend reversal. Again, currently we are noticing the price action to trade on a bearish trend. So based on this past price action, we can understand that there are more chances for the price action to test the lower level of the support line of the bearish channel pattern. Currently we have noticed the price action to come near to the first level of support line of the bearish channel pattern. So there is still more space for the price action to travel further down. So we have two levels of support for the current price action, higher level and the lower level of support. We can expect the price action to travel up to this level and to trend back, or if the bearish trend is still stronger, we can expect it to come and test the lower level of the bearish channel pattern support line, then to bounce back on the bullish trend reversal. But overall information we get from the current price action is it is in a very strong bearish trend. As I explained earlier also, the current price action is trading below this mid support line of the bearish channel pattern. So if the price action needs to bounce back on the bullish trend reversal, it has to break this mid resistance line in order to continue on a bullish trend reversal. Again we have the next level of resistance line from the bearish channel pattern, which it has to break in order to continue with bullish trend reversal. Until the price action is trading below this resistance line, it will be a bearish trend. So when we look at the current support and resistance levels using the Fibonacci extension tool, second wave of the bearish trend started from here, then it took support over here, then it retraced and tested this resistance line of the bearish channel pattern, then the bearish trend started from here. So based on this Fibonacci extension tool, we can clearly notice that the price action has broken this 0.18 level of the Fibonacci extension level, which means the confirmation of the bearish trend continuation, and also it has broken the 0.786 level of the Fibonacci extension, which again gives a confirmation on the bearish trend continuation. Next target is going to be the 100% retracement of this bullish trend it has made previously. Higher time frame support level of 1672. When we look at the past price action on the left hand side also, we have noticed the price action to travel nearer to this level, then to bounce back on the bullish trend reversal. So this level of 1672 is a major support level for daily time frame. And if the price action breaks this support level, it will be a bearish trend reversal in gold for the daily time frame. Until this support level of 1672, it is only considered as a retracement of the bullish trend it has made previously. Once the price action breaks this support level, it will be a bearish trend reversal in daily time frame. It is not a retracement, it will be a trend reversal. And if the price action needs to bounce back on the bullish side retracement, it has to break the previous resistance level of 1753. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame. In 4 hours time frame also, I am again drawing a channel pattern, which is a bearish channel pattern, and I am connecting the lows and highs of the price action. So according to this price action, we can notice that it has tested this support line, then went and tested this resistance line, and currently we are noticing the price action to bounce back from this resistance line of the bearish channel pattern. And if the bearish trend continues, as expected, it will be testing the lower level of the bearish channel pattern from the daily time frame. So the price action in 4 hours time frame is also in a bearish trend, and we have some more space for the price action to trend down on the bearish side. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame. In hourly time frame, I am drawing a resistance line or a trend line. We can notice that previously the price action was respecting this resistance line, and currently it is testing this resistance line. And if the price action breaks this resistance line, next level of resistance is going to be the higher time frame resistance level of 1717. And if this resistance line is broken, we have the 4 hours time frame bearish channel resistance line running over here. It has to break this resistance line in order to continue its bullish side retracement. So we can expect the price action to test this resistance line and to bounce back on the bearish side, because the overall trend in 4 hours time frame or in the daily time frame is in a bearish side. You can wait for the price action to bounce back from this major resistance levels in order to take trades on the bearish side. I would not recommend you to take trades on the bullish side for now. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for hourly time frame. Currently the price action is in a very nice retracement. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. Please consider pressing that like button to show your support to my video analysis. Let us continue our analysis. I am in 30 minutes time frame. When we look at the price action, after consolidating at the support level of 1717, we have noticed the price action to trend down on the bearish trend, and currently it has bounced back on the bullish side retracement from the support level of 1697. I am drawing one more trend line or a support line from this place where it has bounced back on the bullish side retracement. So currently we are noticing the price action to take support on this 30 minutes time frame support line or the trend line. Wait for the price action to breach this support line in order to take trades on the bearish side. Already we are noticing the red candle being formed. Wait for the proper red candle to be closed below this resistance line in order to take trades on the bearish side trend. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame. When we look at the price action in 5 minutes time frame, we have noticed the price action to take support on this 30 minutes time frame support line or the trend line. I am drawing a trend line or resistance line for 5 minutes time frame also. So previously we have noticed the price action to consolidate within this resistance and support line of the 30 minutes and 5 minutes time frame. Currently we are noticing the price action to bounce back from this 5 minutes time frame resistance line. Wait for a proper candlestick's closure below this support line of the 30 minutes time frame to take trades on the bearish side trend. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this red color boxes are going to be the resistance and support levels for 5 minutes time frame. Wait for the price action to break this support level of 1710 in order to take trades on the bearish side. And even if the price action trends on the bullish side also, we have very strong resistance level which is around 1714 to 1716. It has to break this resistance level in order to continue on the bullish side retracement. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.